In this video, I will demonstrate how SQL injection works on Ultra website and explain its impact on web security. So first we will sign in. So we need to use this like that. So by doing this, we can access the admin site. We can log in easily. So log in. So the explanation for this is this one. So always true. So the one always evaluates as true. So meaning the where clause matches all rows. So the database returns as uh, the database returns the first user it finds. So granting access without a valid password. So the impact of SQL injection on web security. So first we have the unauthorized access. So hackers can bypass login and gain admin control, data theft. So sensitive data or info like username, passwords, credit cards can be stolen. So and data manipulation, attackers can modify or delete database records. And next, we have the website defacement. So hackers can alter content or inject malicious scripts. And last, we need to prevent SQL injection by using prepared statements. We need to use ORM for safe queries. We need to use password hashing for more security of our website. And we need to limit database privileges. And we need to use web application firewalls. So by doing this, we can protect our website and SQL injection attacks.